Alright, GE front load washer. Problem caused. The unit is filling up with water and draining out continuously, non-stop. So I found the problem. I had to record this one. As soon as you turn water on, you get a little spout. But when you start the machine, wait for it. Water. Okay. Filling the water through the reservoir. Starting the cycle. Now, watch this. Power off. Alright, the water's still running. Power. No power. No power. Water. So you don't have no power on it whatsoever, and it's just running water. This would be a bad water valve. Possibly a bad control, but 9 times out of 10, bad water valve. The only way to stop it is to shut the water off from the main valve. So it's got straight flow into the machine. We're gonna have to get a new control. If you ever see this with a washer, front load, top load, where they just run water regardless of power, you just got a bad water valve. Possibly a bad control. Thanks, Repair Appliances.